finding SUIMO. I'm going to bring you a price prediction on it, show you how high this can go, show you how incredibly early you are to this coin. If it sounded interesting, drop that like, give me subscribe. Welcome. Couldn't get it out. I'll keep it in. I was going to say welcome back. It went welcome back. Welcome back to cryptogains. Do you have this? Are you selling it short like a jeet? Is that a word? Just get in, get out quick. Or are you holding for the long term? I want to show you how incredibly early you are to this. This is the price prediction chart. You know, AI helped me hook this up. It's kind of cool. You know, it looks like a little TV show kind of chart thing. Anyway, the soonest that I was able to show this to the Patreons, my Patreon, shout out to you guys as well if you got in on this at this, it was an 8K cap, talking too much. And have a look at this video here. You can see this was me in my Satoshi Alpha session. I do these alpha mode sessions for the highest tier, just to give them this elite masterclass, and I teach them how to find gems like this. It's a hit and miss with these types of memes on the Move pump, because what happens is developers get in and they create these coins and then they rug pull them and dump them on people. So it's like they give up essentially. But what happens is communities come and take over. So I guess you guys are the community, and I'm guessing they're looking to take over this. And hopefully they can keep it thriving. If the website stays up, if you can have a Telegram and a Twitter keep going, great. This is how we can keep something like this going, and essentially it becomes a powerful meme. It already has become a powerful meme. I showed them in this video at an 8K market cap. You can see just here, right in the middle, 8K market is tiny. This is the most high risk, toxic, biohazard type of coins that I show you. And the reason I'm doing this is because this is where the opportunity lies, is to get in at the most absolute tiny market cap. SUIMO, for those that are new, it's like Nemo, but on the Sui network for the Sui chain. And I've been comparing it against other big popular memes like Hippo, which is on the Sui network. What's the other one? Blub. Can I just click back and it goes to Blub? Because, you know, I've been looking at this in Blub. Does it show Blub? There's one just behind here. Clear that. Here we go. There's Blub. Which Blub is a 36 million market cap. And this is a fish on the Sui network. So when I look at this, which is SUIMO, which is also a fish on the Sui network, much more catchier, I feel like this could probably become one of the biggest memes for the Sui network and be one of the biggest movers. And so far, it's already become a big mover, because if we take a look at actually real quick where it is right now, let's have a look at SUIMO. It's 183K cap at the time of recording this video. If it falls, see it as a great time to buy. But you're still incredibly early. 183K cap. As it stands, from where I shared it to the Patreons, which was an 8,000 market cap, let's just do this. It says 176, 172. I'll go based on what I'm seeing here. It's going to be fluctuating up and down because, you know, early investors, it's going to be volatile. You know the swings. You know what it's like. Let's divide that by 8,000. Right now, they're up 21x their money. And it's only in one day. Within 24 hours, 21 times your money. If you was buying at the 8K cap, if you was buying at, let's say, a 16K market cap, you're still up 10x. Which you don't see 1,000% moves in right now in the gaming space, in the AI space, which is why memes will forever be around, guys. Let's do this. So a 5x from an 8K market cap, no, that's wrong. Hold on, 5x should be, I think I've done this wrong. I think that 40 should have been there. Okay, so I had to adjust this because it just wasn't looking right. I had the multipliers wrong. Let's do this again. So, it is what it is. 5x from an 8K call is a 40K market cap. It's already reached that. So a 10X would be an 80K market cap. Already reached it. I'll check again in a second. 15 times someone's money back from an 8K, if you've got it on an 8K, is 120K market cap. It's incredibly tiny. You know, when I show you these, it's usually like millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions, 1 billion. You know, because to 1,000X, we're going to get there. A 20X puts it at 160K. Is it still that right now? It's 178K market cap. So there's your 20X. And like I said, if you got in on a 16K market cap, then you're still up 10X. When this does a 50X return from the lowest market price that I've been trying to get, I showed it on, which is an 8K, you're looking at a 400K market cap. Incredibly tiny. I was buying, just so you know, I was buying Scuba, which is a hot meme on the Sui network, at an 800K cap, which for this, it would be 100X. Can you see how early you are to SUIMO? because 100x is an 800k cap if they got in down there. Like I said, if you got in on a 16k market cap, that's there no, it'd be double up here. 2 million market cap, 100x your money. But that's a 250x. Well, no, it'd be less than that actually. It'd be 1.6. But anyway, a 250x. I haven't really adjusted this properly because, you know, the gold is usually where I think it can go. I think it can surpass higher. But actually, I do think this will go to a 2 million market cap. So cool, we'll leave the gold for now. I think SUIMO can reach a 2 million market cap. I think it can go beyond. But 2 million is 250. 500x puts SUIMO at a 4 million market cap. So 1000x puts this at an 8 million market cap. Do you think that this cute looking flipping blue fish can be up there with your other fishes like, what's it called? Blub, and the other one, Hippo, which is right up here. You can see it here, Hippo, minus 6%. Do you think it can go there? Well, look at this. Blub is 36 million. I'm not asking SUIMO to go there. If it does, great. People just make millions, hundreds of thousands. But if it goes to an 8 million, that would have been a 1000x from the call that I shared it at an 8k market cap, which is in this video right here. You see it, right? 8,055. If you don't want to miss calls like this, become a Patreon. The link is in the info section. Click it, because they saw this, you know, especially if you're in that higher tier. I don't recommend people go to that tier, but they got in early because they was in that Satoshi tier. I don't even promote the Satoshi. It's just because it's just too much. It was a joke tier, but people started, you know, getting coming into it. So I'm guessing they made good gains. Shout out to you Satoshis, but that's why they came over there. So I felt like I had to give more. But I usually recommend this tier here. Hold on, let me find it. My exclusive VIP partner tier, because this one unlocks all the posts. So you will see when I'm buying this stuff, selling, staking and all that. You know, you'll see the buy alerts when it comes out. And if you can't afford it, the next tier above, the CEO tier, gives you access to the VIP Telegram. They're super alerted. They're also getting in on other memes just like this and other micro cap projects that are AI gaming. They're getting in very early. I've been showing them some AI, some gaming projects that I think can do really well. Ones that we can't even buy yet, but I'm telling them to look out for it. I'm sharing them stuff all the time where, you know, preparing people so they might tend to get in on these coins before I do. If you want to be a part of this, come over. It's a powerful network. Highly recommend you check it out. But it's these guys that are seeing these calls first and they're having the opportunity to get in. So yeah, come check it out. I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe, stick around. Let's see what SUIMO can do. I'm interested to see how high this thing can go. So yeah, see you in the next video. Cheers.